trying something new out. Okay. Honestly, alright. Hey guys, welcome back. Hold on. Okay. Welcome back to my channel. So I am trying something new out. I'm about to do a full face. So basically like a really small get ready with me video. Hold on. I think that this looks better. Okay. So basically we're about to do like a really quick get ready with me video. I'm gonna see how quick I can get ready. I am about to go out and I don't have a lot of time. But I've been contemplating filming this video, so let's just see how it goes. I may or may not post this. If you see this and it's posted, like it. Okay, so let's get started. First things first. Oh, by the way, I did not I did not plan anything for this video, so that's what I said. I don't know if this is gonna be posted, but we'll see. But we're just gonna see where this goes. But first things first, I have sunscreen. I feel like it's a really good like primer kind of situation, or not primer, but you guys know what I mean, right? I just feel like if I have like sunscreen on, it just makes something a little better, you know, for the makeup. So okay, now that I have sunscreen, I'm looking at myself in the mirror. Now that I have sunscreen, I'm going with this very old case of Dermablend foundation, and we're just gonna do a little squeeze with my makeup blender, yeah, honestly, I feel like in comparison to like other content creators, especially like my makeup videos, I feel like I don't know if you guys can relate, but I feel like the products that I use are just what no one else really uses. They're probably really outdated, but I also feel like in a way I have more of a competitor's advantage, if you will, because okay, trust the process, because I know it looks bad right now. But I do feel like I have more of a competitor's advantage, if you will, because I need to look in this mirror. Because the products that I use, they are relatable. Like, I just feel like in comparison to, this over, yeah. So like, in comparison to like influencers that I watch, which I love, I just feel like they're not as relatable as someone who's regular schmegular may be. And honestly, I feel like that's partially why I was kind of hesitant about posting like makeup tutorials to begin with, because I feel like I'm probably not doing my makeup right, but I have a good end result at the end. But I'm not using all these new products, and I'm not really with like the sense of novelty with all things when it comes to doing makeup. I mean, like, I love trends, like you guys will see, because I feel like I'm gonna start posting like more and more makeup videos. I love different trends, you know, but sometimes people they just full coverage. Sometimes people they can't afford it, or they can afford it but they may not want to, or it's not really relatable. So I feel like that's partially like part of my motivation as to why I'm gonna get my calendar. That's like partial motivation. Oh, I have this really dingy makeup brush, and I have this Beauty Treats concealer palette, and I probably got this from, I have no idea, but at the end of the day, my makeup slays in the end, which y'all will see. But what was I saying? Yeah, I feel like part of seeing like different influencers online, and all of the new like makeup trends that they have, and how it's like constant. It's not like just like a once a month kind of thing. It's like every day we're consuming so much. I feel like that actually motivates me because I don't have all that, but it motivates me because I think that we need more creators in like the beauty space or like artistic space to come out and say, hey, like we can still slay, we can still look good, still have a good concealer situation, but we don't have all those products. So I was like, you know what, let me go ahead and let me start. I'm trying to okay, let me go ahead and I'm trying to find my eyeshadow brush, or no, what was that saying, guys? I don't know. Okay, I'm back. Honestly, I don't know what I was saying and I have to go soon, but yeah, I just, basically what I was saying, I just feel like I love the hype, and don't get me wrong, I am one of those girlies who I will eat a makeup tutorial right up, okay? With all new products, you know, like James Charles, Manny MUA, Laura Lee, Kyra Stewart, when she posts them here and there. I will eat those tutorials up, but at the end of the day, I'm just a regular schmegular girl, and I feel like we need more people like me in the community who we've been having the same, which is probably not the same thing. We've been having like the same like mascara we've been using for the same years, and it's worked for us, for our skin combination. I personally just feel like we need more girlies like that in the community, not to bash the other girlies. I'm going in with the Smoke and Mirrors Rose Infused Lip Oil. I love me good lip combo. But anyway, as I was saying, yeah, I think that was like mainly my motivation. And also just to have like a cute little safe space. I know it looks cute. A safe space for girls to be like, hey, you know what? Actually, I've been using the same mascara. I've been using the same foundation for years. So, anyway, it looks really weird. Okay, this is my look. It was very quick. I'm gonna do my hair off camera and then I'm gonna come back. This was like very quick, very minimal. Only thing I really used was mascara. I'm sorry, no, I didn't even use mascara. I used foundation, I used lipstick, lip oil, and let me see, concealer. That's it. 4 different things. I didn't do a whole shebang. And I think that I look pretty darn good. So anyway, let me hurry up and do my makeup off camera, and then this is also realistic too. I have makeup on my hands, but let me do my makeup off camera and then I will be back and I'll show you the final look, and then I'm gonna go because I have to go. Okay. Okay, so this is the final look. This was 5 minutes. I'm probably gonna be late to the event, but yeah. Final look. Yeah. my wig is getting old. A little tired. Okay. Honestly, I did not like the hair that I had going on at first, so I might do like a little situation. Y'all can see me shaking up, but I think I might